Hello everyone, welcome to IEMLabs. Today we are going to study about the basic data types available in Python. So let's get started. First we have strings. I'll declare a variable and let's say I put the word hello world inside it. This is of type string. Next, let's say I take another variable b is equal to 56. This is this is a variable of type int, integer basically. We shorten it to int, just the same way string is also shortened down to str. Next we have c equal to, let's say, 23.5487. This is of type float, no short form for this one. Next we can have, say, true. Now this is a Boolean value, type Boolean. Short form is given by bool. Next we can also have, now like in mathematics you have complex numbers, I'll declare a variable, say e is equal to 3 plus 4i. Now in mathematics it is quite simple, where we like 4, where I represents the imaginary number and 4i is basically the imaginary coordinate. Now what we do in Python is we can't use the letter I, we use j, but the purpose remains the same. This would be of type complex. No short forms for this one either. Now we get into a bit different ones, data types, which may or may not comprise of any of these, or maybe all of these. So let's say I declare another variable f equal to, within square brackets I write any bunch of values, say 23, comma, and these need not be of a single data type. I can also put strings here, say Python. Then I want to put a Boolean value. Now Boolean values are generally true and false, nothing else. So we have used true here, we'll go with false this time. And let's say one more, what can we take? Let's take another imaginary number, 8 plus 9j. Now this entire thing, the entire thing within the parentheses is called a list. Type list. Next let's go for another. This is, sorry, not the, we now go for the circular parentheses. This represents, in a similar fashion we can also put different sets of values here. Let's say 12 comma PyCharm comma 0.365 comma, let's take another word, coding, and the following we can again take a number. Let's say we go for 3. Now this entire thing is of type list. Now we have another one. Let's take a variable h. We put curly parentheses, and now we can write it like, let's say we are declaring months. So 1 gives January, comma, sorry, slight error here, January is a string, so we can't just put it like that. 1 gives January, then we have 2 gives February, 3 gives March, so on and so forth. We'll just stick with 3 months right now. This can be of type dictionary. Now, we can also, instead of me commenting on everything here, we can also show the names of the various data type using the simple print statement. So let's say I write print let's put type and let's give the variable name A. We'll follow the chronological order. Let's copy this. There's no point writing the entire thing again and again. Let's change all these values. Make this B. Let's make this one C. This one as D. This one as E. This one as F. This one as G. And this one as H. So what these print statements from line 11 to line 18 will do is basically it's the same thing whatever I wrote in the comments. It will be just show the different data types that are available in the Python. So let's run this code. Okay, some little bit of thing I missed. Dictionary can be shortened down to dict, D-I-C-T. Rest everything remains the same. As you can see, our orders as the following: string was string, int, then float, we have bool, we have complex, list. Oh, sorry, this I wrote it as list. This is supposed to be tuple. Then we have dict. Thank you everyone for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel and keep supporting.